My name is Jack Wiid, founder of Pioneer Plastics. We started in 1982. Very modest beginning. We started with a very basic factory. Today, 40 years later, we have a state-of-the-art equipment. We make our own in-house molds. We do fantastic products, quality control, and everything that goes with it. We also have my sons in the business. They've come in about 15 years ago. Retirement had to happen, and when it came to pass that I was going to actually now get off the business full time, they took over, and the business was prepared for my retirement. I think the other side of retirement is the psychological side. I think it's easy to plan for the financial side, but the actual difficult part is the psychological side that you have to prepare, the anxiety that goes with it, the unknown. You're leaving the unknown behind you and you're going into the unknown. I also think that to start planning financially, you should start as young as possible. It's a better option. You spend money on expensive cars, but you forget about your retirement. When you can't drive those cars anymore, one day you actually need that money that you should have invested in retirement. My advice to you is don't wait too long. Invest as soon as you can into your retirement.